All right, next video, Scary Count V63.
A very concerned parent had posted the following video in the hopes
Ugh.
that someone could explain the footage. In
I
it,
hate
a
baby
child is
monitor
seen playing in their
videos.
crib, when suddenly, something truly terrifying is caught on camera.
There's only ever been one good one.
Now, according to the parents, ever since playing with the Ouija board that they bought at a yard sale, strange things have been happening.
Of course.
On random occasions, their son would stare at an empty space as though something was there, and then suddenly cry out of nowhere. The strangest incident,
Okay,
however,
just want to see.
on camera. Take a look.
This is just your camera, bro. I just don't know if that's reliable, though. And don't be saying, oh, look at the second arm. Don't even do that. Right? Then shit happening. This is all normal.
An unsettling screech-like noise is heard inside the child's room.
I don't know.
It seems to come out of nowhere, yet sounds very close to the
That could have been outside,
child.
bro.
But even weirder is the fact that the camera glitches whenever it screeches.
I'm not taking that. I'm sorry. That's just stupid. That's just dumb.
It's almost as though the presence of
Yeah, messing with the electronics. That's just silly. Babies are basically on a psychedelic trip at all times. Exactly, dude. They are always zoned. Like that's so normal. You cannot say this is okay. We're moving on from that. Good. Okay. Oh boy, that's why the baby crib ones are so stupid. They're always like, oh, look at him staring off at nothing. He's a baby. That's what they do.
house. Every so often, he would hear what sounds like clicking noises and whispers that seem to come out of nowhere.
Oh no. Another
Matthew
whisper
knows that
video.
it's best to ignore these sounds, as people have told him that
Okay, well, let's get to it.
as of recent,
David, was it?
Matthew can no longer
Matthew.
ignore these noises. He notices that each time they occur, he gets more scared, and the more terrified he gets, the more persistent these noises become.
Of course, because he's adding
It's
them.
almost as though these noises are feeding off his fear. Sole purpose of strange noises. He takes out his phone and begins to record. But what happens next has left him shook. This is what he captured.
Oh my god, show me already. Whispering and
Okay, so I'm just sat here. I said I were going to start trying to document it. I've been trying to watch this.
bro, it sounds like
Literally.
him.
Myself, it's literally just the corner of the sofa. Trying to watch this, I swear to God I can hear like whispering.
Bro, that sounds like you added after.
Right, I'm going to listen for a minute.
And you're acting like it too. I think you might have breathing problems, bro. I don't think you're hearing anything crazy.
I hate doing this. I don't know why I've decided to do this. So I'm just trying to watch TV.
Okay, and now you've dropped the whole acting thing. I'm moving on. This is terrible. You got breathing problems, bro, and you gotta get that checked out. I don't know what to tell you.
Child's pile of toys when she finds
Oh, bro needs a CPAP.
toy camera. The mother states that she had bought the camera for her daughter, but unbeknownst to the mother, the camera contains a chilling photo that her daughter had taken.
No.
To this day,
is just
this
similar
photo chills her to the
concept.
core. In this video, she shows
Oh, no,
us what
this
was
is that video.
captured. Take a look.
So I got my daughter this camera from Amazon
It wasn't a
for
picture,
Christmas.
though.
She's 3, almost 4. We're just hanging out at home today by ourselves. My husband's at work. She's been telling us she's been seeing somebody in her room, that she can't really sleep well. She refuses to sleep in there. We just moved to this.
Okay, I need to see. If it's a video, I've seen this already. Like literally I think last year.
So there's a man in my photo. And I went like that real quick.
That?
There's a man in the photo. Let me. I said, what? She said, there's a man in my photo. And I went like that real quick. Like, this just happened.
It's just a shadow though. And look at the way the light, like, come on, man. Like
like no one else is here. It's just us. Like, I'm gonna have to change the date and time so I can get more pictures.
Oh, she hit the no one else is here. Oh no.
For y'all, but look at that. In this new house, she says she's.
Yes, that's what bro, exactly. It's the same
people.
shit. Why is it everyone that gets these Amazon, that was the exact same setup, the Amazon camera, but it was a whole video and it was way better. Way better than this video. This one was terrible. Wow. That's just crazy, man. Then I'm worried about, like, I would hate to say it, but your parenting decisions. Like, you're just jumping to conclusions like that for everything? I don't know. Grow up, honestly.
This next video was submitted to me by a father who caught something pretty creepy on camera. Now, the initial purpose of the video was to document a strange occurrence that often happens around 4 p.m.
reason.
According to the father, it is at this time when the baby monitor inside his bedroom picks up a strange noise. It's hard to make out the sound that is being made, but whatever the
Is he using a baby monitor for his room?
source might be, it definitely sounds creepy. For this reason, the father thought it'd be best to record and share this video. However, little did he know that something far more spooky would be caught on camera. The father records the sound when suddenly something else is captured.
Oh my god, just get to it.
Alright, check this out. There's this noise coming from the bedroom.
Bro, that sounds like static.
But my
from the
wife
electricity.
and my baby, they're not here. They're not in the bedroom.
And this is kind of...
If this noise happens every day at this exact time,
maybe it's something you're doing.
man.
This feels too elaborate. I don't know why.
There's no one in there.
What's with the second view?
No one.
Because you can barely see the baby. Nah. Your ass would immediately run in there. If that was your real baby. Nah.
All of a
Pathetic,
sudden,
dude. That was terrible.
the closet door opens on itself.
Really good setup. Great. He had the potential here. His acting just it needed to bring it all together. That was just bad. I would have been like, oh, okay, maybe. But I don't know. It just didn't sound.
It opens wide enough, showing no one
Yeah,
inside.
I feel like a 4 is pretty. That's okay. We can give him a 4. It's pretty generous, but I'll take it. Holy man, that was great setup.
There's a photo on Twitter that's
There was a
currently
chance.
trending. However, it isn't trending for the reason you're probably thinking.
Oh my god, another photo. Okay.
The photo appears to be normal until you look closely and realize that the image isn't ordinary at all, but instead, something
Well,
beyond
just show me the actual photo. Otherwise, I'm thinking
had
it's not that
captured
great.
until a friend of hers had seen the pic and told her about it. In a text conversation had with someone else, Natalina explains the photo. She writes,
Natalina?
"Hello, Adam. I went to take some pictures of my house that was under renovation last year. It's from my late father. I had taken the photos in November, and that was
3
it.
a.m.?
Recently, I sent the same photo I took in November to a friend of mine, and he was like, 'What the bro?' Because he zoomed in, and this just popped up.
I don't buy any of this. Okay, it's either edited or it just came out weird. But The dad better not be in the
In this
photo.
picture, I was alone, and there was no one
I
behind
was
me.
alone. Oh no. Every time they hit that, dude, I can't anymore with that.
Behind Natalina, a solid shadow-like figure can be seen standing behind her. It stands only a couple feet away from Natalina while being hunched over and turned the other way, as though it's trying its best not to be seen.
Nah, that's either just edited or like we just can't tell what this business is right here. But I mean, there's something right there, you know?
Although it's not clear as to what was
That's why I'm thinking edit though. Because it's not even going with like the way the light's coming in the room, you know? Like there'd be a shadow right here if somebody was really there. Because duh, like that's how that works.
the other way, as though it's trying its best not to be seen.
Okay, the photos are silly. I don't know why he even does that.
While spending the night inside his aunt's house, which is very old, unusual events took place. The following is the video he took.
I'm still hearing voices. Listen. Jesus Christ. Now you're knocking
What
again.
was that? That feels like sound recorded after. That sounds different.
My God.
This might be a 3 out of 10 acting. Why does the sound change like that?
A child's voice is heard
It sounds like you're watching a movie. Like honestly, this is silly. I can't see anything. Like why are you recording?
close to the camera. Naturally, the person recording fled from the room and went straight to his car.
Okay, well you don't know that. You definitely don't know that. I hate that. Oh man. I think I only like the last like 15 videos of Bizarre Bub actually. And I pretend like his whole channel is like that quality. Wow. Solid acting from little Timmy. Oh my god. The acting just that's usually not the problem. Like what can we not, is that not a thing anymore? People don't know how to act? That's crazy.